Viewing current progress. To view your progress towards program completion, go to the Southeast Community College Student Planning homepage and select My Progress from the drop-down option, or select the View Your Progress tile. Your program of study will be listed at the top of the My Progress tab. If your specific area of study is not listed, please verify your program of study by contacting the admissions office at admissions@southeast.edu or calling your specific campus admissions office. When considering a change of program, use the View a New Program option to see how your existing credits might apply toward program completion and what requirements exist for that newly selected program. View the progress bar to gain a quick, general view of your overall progress towards the program listed. The second progress bar displays the number of credits you've completed at SCC. Students must complete a minimum of 1/3 of their program requirements at SCC for SCC to be the degree granting institution. Information displayed on the My Progress tab is not a guarantee of graduation. Final program completion must be verified by your program of study in conjunction with the registration office. Under Requirements, you can view the specific core classes, electives, and general education requirements required for your selected program of study. A summary of each program requirement is displayed along with the number of courses completed. A grid view details the courses that meet the requirement. To expand or hide further grid detail on each requirement, select the Show Hide Details option. Any course that is not yet started displays in red. Planned courses display in yellow. Completed courses display in green. Any completed or planned course that does not apply to your specific degree requirements can be viewed at the bottom of the requirements section under Other Courses. Any questions on why a course is or is not used for a specific requirement should be directed to your program advisor or campus registration office.